Hello YouTube, back with another video, and today we got a Royal Souvenir, or however you say it, I think it's Souvenir, air conditioner unit that I found. It is a little over a ton. I don't know what year it is, but it's a big beast right here. I'm letting my brother use it because he don't have working air conditioner at this house. Car.
So far they're not attacking each other.
Fish. So the plastic's broken. But I'll have another video when it's in the window. Thermostat works. Alright. More to come in a few minutes.